Is there a way to make the VLOOKUP function much more efficient and dynamic? Yes, there is. In a recent video, I explained how to create or how to use the VLOOKUP function to return related values uh, for a specific value based on a table array. So I wanted to return full name, QA samples, quality score, calls handled, and calls per hour based on the value that is entered in K4. In that video, I'd written the formula to be VLOOKUP, your reference being your lookup value being K4, your table array being D3 to I10 with the appropriate cell referencing, and I drag that formula across and then change the column index number to be whatever the column number is based on the table array. But there is a way to write this formula and not having to change the column index number every single time or as you move the formula down. So how do you do that? To achieve this, we'll incorporate the match function. So what I'll do is first I'll remove these formulas here. And this formula, what I'll do is edit it, or actually let me start from scratch. So that would be equal VLOOKUP. So you're going to reference your lookup value, which is K4 again, and I want to have an absolute reference. All right. That would then comma my table array. So in this case, it is very important that you have the entire table array highlighted, including the table header. And then I want an absolute reference there as well. Comma. Now for your column index number, here is where you want to incorporate that match function. So it's going to be match. And what do you want to look up? So it's match. Your lookup value in this case is going to be full name, comma. And your lookup array, you want to reference your header, the headers from your table array. And that's going to be D3 to I3. And you want to have an absolute reference there as well. And for L3, I'll have a relative reference. So that's F4 twice. So that way, as I drag the formula across, it's going to update based on the values of L3, M3, N, O, and P, respectively. And I want a exact match and a exact match again. Close bracket, enter. So that's employee ID 6, Bugs Bunny, and I want to drag this across. Now, so these were actually general. This is going to be general as well. So now I can see employee ID 6, which is this. It's Bugs Bunny, 13, 73, 69, and 6.9, respectively, across those headers. And I can see the formula being updated as need be, and that is without having to change the column index number for each column respectively. So there you have it, a much more efficient and dynamic VLOOKUP function.